Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Roxy's Weekly Challenge. This is week 1, hosted by Rachel from Roxy's Creations. So today we're making pockets, 4 pockets out of one book page. And I did just folded 2 just to see what they are. So these fit on the edge of your page, like so. And then you've got a pocket on this side and a pocket on this side. So I will be editing this video some, but I'm going to do as much as I can. Speaking, I'm sorry, I'm not a very good speaker on camera. I don't have that conversation bug, but I'll try to do my best because I need to learn how to do that. So I'm going to set my timer for 40 minutes and we'll get started. I hope everyone's doing good. Now I'm just going to start folding the paper like she showed, and I've got about 3 different size papers. This is going to be really small on this sheet, but you go up so that you can make your pocket and it'll reinforce it some, and then you just flip it over and you fold it down so that it will reinforce there as well. And then you just fold it this way, and this is where it will fit on the page. And I'll just glue down these little edges on the blue paper. And I love Rachel's channel. I enjoy it, watching what she makes. She's so talented, and she doesn't even have to ink stuff. I'm an inker. I do like to ink. But hers always looks good whether it's inked or not. Mine, I feel like if I don't ink, it's like wearing full makeup without adding lipstick. I think it's just something that's in my head. Alright, and now we just want to do a wrong bunch. Just put a little, I'm just going to do both of them at the same time so that they're even. And just cut a notch in the top. So I'm going to do up a bunch of those to start off with. I think I'm just going to do a bunch of folding. I'll come back and glue later. I hope y'all are enjoying nice weather. It's been kind of rainy here today and yesterday. Our weather here in Mississippi is really odd. We've been in the 60s here, weather-wise, degrees Fahrenheit. Yet at Christmas time, we were like at 9 degrees, and that's definitely not typical for Mississippi. You never know what you're going to get in Mississippi. Alright, now I'm just going to glue these down. Kind of do a mass make and assembly. Okay, now I've got a few different sizes. And this went relatively quickly, but I have a feeling the decorating might not go so fast. But we'll just have a good time doing it. So I'm just using some of my scraps, because I have so many scraps. We'll just see what we can get. foam sponge. Like I said, I'm an inker, so that's going to end up taking more of my time. And I think I'm just going to kind of reverse on this side, so that whatever journal it goes in, it'll be kind of consistent. I'm getting all this ephemera made up. Now I'm going to have to start making some journals. I'd like to start my own Etsy store. This one is digital page, so it's thinner, but these are scrapbooking papers, so I feel like it needs a little heavier glue. Okay, about 37 minutes in, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bases made. I didn't even decorate the 2 that I had done before just to see how it worked. So now all I have to do is just put a focal point, and I'll just show you. Let me pick a good one. Pick one to put like a focal point on. That one's going to be too big. Let's see see how we can decorate it up. Let's see what I've got here. Well, here are two done, and I love it. Like I say, it would fit around a page like that. You have a pocket on each side. This would be great for like a smaller journal. This is like my Defember. I mean, this is just like my junk journal, January journal. But I'll let you watch me do these, and I will do the others off camera and leave a photograph of them at the end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And let me know if you'd rather just have the music or me trying to talk. I know I didn't do a whole lot of talking, but I feel like the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. It's just not something I've been real comfortable with. Please be sure and check out Rachel's channel at Roxy's Creation. And I think today she came out with her new prompt, which is Friday for me when I'm doing this. So I'll have to get busy on that. And be sure and check out the hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge to see what everyone else has made on this. So until next time, bye y'all.